every step, like every process, like you have to do, like very much beneficial in the long run. Sir will always be, available in that personal chat. You will be very much well connected with the faculty. Proper conceptual understanding will be there. By the end of the course, you will have your own, hundreds of answers that are written by you only. My name is Rajul Lima, and I am from Madhya Pradesh. I was an online student in Nataraj's anthropology course. For me, I think this online classes are more productive. I'm more productive at home than the different cities. The best part is that while taking the online classes, that you save a lot of time, in traveling and lots of things. You can save your time. You can have uh, at your home and you can perform better. I think for me it works. Uh, but the good part for the classes is that even if you are taking the class in the online manner and you are preparing, sitting in your room all alone, you will not feel left out. And the reason for it is because you will be very much well connected with the faculty. Sir will always be, available in that personal chat while teaching. You can interact with him, like you can ask questions, he will respond. So everything is like very smooth. You will not feel ki you are not your doubts are not getting resolved. So this won't happen. It is like very much like a live class, you can say. Very much you will have the feel of that offline class only. So that is one thing. We have few, kind of rituals in the class. Like before starting the class, we used to have the quiz for 10-15 minutes. We used to have the daily assignments. We have the targets to, make the short notes. Every step, like every process, like we have to do, they have like very much beneficial in the long run. Because in quizzes you will, along the side you will be also cramming things. Otherwise, what happens ki while doing the courses, you became little bit in a passive state. You just focus on, taking the classes and not really cramming, not really preparing. So these things have daily assignments where you will have the best practices. Sir will share the uh, copies of some good students, so you can take inspiration from those copies. You can write the daily assignments. By the end of the course, you will have your own, hundreds of answers that are written by you only, and the feedbacks are given by sir on those answers. So this is one thing. Short notes will help you in the examination in the, last k 1 week, 2 week before the examination, when you have to like really go through the whole syllabus. So that short notes will help there. Uh, Apart from this, handouts were provided in the class. They are like really crisp, and the good part is the handouts are crisp, but they are very like complete in their own. It's not like lots of topics that are being left. It won't have proper coverage is there for the topics, and proper conceptual understanding will be there. Everything is there. So used to give the dictations in the class. You have to fill those, the blanks or something, the scholar's name and everything. Besides those handouts, you will also have this value addition in the class itself. So you will write on those handouts only. So this is something which is very much beneficial. Also, the course completes on time. Like I joined the course in around in July or August. I joined the course in 2022, and by December we were done with the classes. November, December we were done with the classes. So I had enough time to prepare for prelims. I had enough time to revise what I've read, what I have learned in these classes. This was one thing. Besides that, the concept is like anthropology ka guidance to was there, but side by sides are also keep telling you the tricks, the tips for prelims, for mains, for GS. So I think that thing also, will work when you will be associated with the foundational course.